building. Hold on, till we slave. Goes on, all veils, piping, kiss me. You're floating it down under the night, cause up the eye on the sky. It's all achieve, no, we say that it's everything within all the blue sky. Fragments of laughter, we are reflecting, haunting reminders of the joy today brings. In the silence, needs nothing. He did the ghettos and empty the moon. Every heartbeat, a whisper, sign, navigating chaos. Stars we align with, years that have fallen. The stars tell a tale of healing and hope. When our dreams set sail, on the edge of the dream we'll ride. With truth in our hearts, we're destined to fly. In the twilight, the shadows merge and bend. We'll chase the horizon where the daylight ends. With every step forward, we're learning to grow. Together we'll venture if you dare to go. On the edge of a dream, we'll dive into the depths of our soul, speed into life. With each whisper of courage, we'll take to the sky. On the edge of a dream, it's where we'll reside. In a world full of colors, painting the night, we'll delve into shadows, searching for light. With echoes around us, we'll dance through the pain, finding comfort in chaos, like sun after rain. On the edge of a dream, we'll sigh, breaking free from fear. We'll take each other's hand. In the silence, we'll rise, push through the unknown, carving our path, never alone. On the edge of a dream, we'll dive into the depths of our soul, speed and life. With each whisper of courage, we'll take to the sky. On the edge of a dream, it's where we'll reside. On the edge of a dream, we'll scream, finding strength in each other. We're part of the stream. In the mirror of truth, we'll meet our reflection, confronting the fears, embracing connection. With stars turn to stories, we'll wear them with pride on this journey together. Nowhere to hide. On the edge of a dream, we'll dive, unraveling layers, discovering what it's about. Fate of the lies, doing man to the tape. We rather bend down to get better made. On the edge of a dream, we'll dive into the depths of our soul, speed and life. With each whisper of